Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create case diagrams using ChatGPT. Now, the way that works is that you enter your prompt into ChatGPT, ask it to create a case diagram on any topic that you want. It'll generate a certain code and you would want to go to an external or another website or service, in this case app.diagrams.net, or simply type in the address bar here draw.io. and you'll be redirected to the same page here, this app.diagrams.net, and this page or this website will create the diagram for you. Now, back to ChatGPT, and here let's, for example, say that I want to create a case diagram on how affiliate marketing works. So, create or generate a case diagram on how affiliate marketing works. And this is pretty important. You need to make sure you get the next step right in plant UML format. So this is the format, the code format that we want to import into draw.io. So pretty important, make sure to add this command. So in plant UML format. Okay, then let it generate the code. Okay, it'll start creating your code here, as you can see. And once the code is generated, simply copy it or click here to copy the code and go back to diagrams.net here. And what you want to do is to click here on arrange, then insert, advanced, and then click on plant UML. And you have the plant UML code right here. Delete the code that is already written and paste the one generated by ChatGPT. Then click on insert. It'll take a moment, and as you can see here, it generated the case diagram that you want. So, of course, you can make it more simple or more complex if you want to. And here, your diagram is now ready. You can make it simpler or more complex by asking ChatGPT to make this code or this diagram more complex, and it'll generate another code, and you would import it into diagrams.net with the same method. And once you're happy with your diagram, simply click here to save, and you can save it as an XML file, editable bitmap image, SVG, or HTML, and you can edit here the name and save it to your own device, Google Drive, OneDrive, or any location that you want.